Welcome to the stunning coastline of Abruzzo, where something exciting is happening along the shores of the Adriatic. The neighboring towns of Montesilvano, Pescara, and Spoltore are coming together to create a brand new city, Nuova Pescara. This isn't just a name change, it's a vision for the future. By merging into one united city, these communities aim to improve services, streamline public transport, and create a stronger, more connected destination for both residents and visitors. For tourists, this means easier travel, better infrastructure, and even more vibrant culture to explore. Imagine one extended beachfront city with seamless experiences from Montesilvano's relaxing resorts to Pescara's lively piazzas, shopping, and nightlife. Nuova Pescara will be one of the largest cities on Italy's Adriatic coast, offering more events, improved green spaces, and smarter investments in tourism and technology. It's about celebrating what makes each place special, while building a shared identity that's even stronger together. So whether you're strolling along the beach, cycling through the city, or enjoying local food and festivals, you'll be part of a growing story and new chapter for this beautiful region of Italy. Welcome to the future of Abruzzo. Welcome to Nuova Pescara.